Look at this. Wow. Isn't this beautiful? I remember coming down here years ago, like I said, when I was in middle school, and we used to come down here all the time before I went to school. Remember racing to the end here and peering down over the sides, looking at all the cool critters. You know, you have little minnows, you have little crabs and things in here. There's stingrays in here. If I remember right, I saw one